The Life of a Glucose and Cellular Respiration. Hey, this is our buddy Glucose, aka C6H12O6, and he is inside of a cell and about to embark on an epic journey of respiration. Welcome to the cytoplasm, where our fun little buddy Glucose goes through glycolysis. Now, what happens in glycolysis? Well, two not-so-cute looking pyruvate with a formula of C3H4O3 are formed when our friend glucose is ripped apart. Now that's basically half of a glucose, except two hydrogens break off, bonding with NAD+ sitting off to the side to form NADH thanks to its highly electronegative properties. Not only that, two ADPs form ATP with the bonding of phosphorus. This pyruvate and NADH all continue forth through the cell. Welcome to the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. It's not actually a powerhouse, but since a large portion of respiration occurs in the mitochondria, the process of converting food into energy, the organelle might warrant such a name. Right now, we are in the mitochondrial outer membrane. You can see this outer surface of the cristae, the folds in the mitochondria that provide large surface area for reactions to occur. This leads us to the link cycle. The link reaction occurs in the outer matrix of the mitochondria and converts pyruvate into the 2-carbon molecule acetyl-CoA by removing carbon dioxide and hydrogen through the process of decarboxylation. 2 carbon dioxides are formed in the process. Sorry about that. Let's zoom in further as we approach the next step. Now, we are viewing the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, which is the next step of the process of respiration. This occurs in the inner matrix. The 2-acetyl-CoA from the link reaction are funneled through the Krebs cycle, undergoing the process twice. Are you sure you caught that? This happens twice. One FAD per cycle combines with 2 hydrogens to make FADH2. At the same time, 3 NAD+ combine with 3 hydrogen ions to create 3 NADH. This also occurs twice, to create a total of 6 NADH. Anytime now. 2 carbon dioxides are created with each cycle for a total of 4 carbon dioxides. And finally, 2 ADP are combined with 2 phosphorus to create 2 ATP. Let's zoom in even further. We've arrived at the spot where oxidative phosphorylation occurs. The electron transport chain is the final component of aerobic respiration and is the only part of glucose metabolism that uses atmospheric oxygen. It is a series of redox reactions with a proton pump to create a proton gradient across the membrane. The FADH2 and NADH drop off their hydrogen ions. On the outside await 6 O2 molecules that bond with the outcoming hydrogen ions to create water. Additionally, 34 ATP are created in this step, combining ADP with phosphorus. And there you go! That's the life of a glucose. From being split in half to becoming 38 ATP and plenty of other products along the way. Now that's a pretty great life.